Hello friend, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix the Windows 10 brightness problem, in which you are able to see a problem like brightness controllers are not working. I have this solution for this problem. For this you have to go to Windows icon on the taskbar and right click on it. Then you have to go to device manager option here. After you go to device manager, you will see here some of the important setting that you have to perform, like you have to go to monitors. Then in the integrated monitor option, you have to update driver, or you have to first of all check that if you are able to see here enable device option, you have to enable it because sometime it get disabled, so you have to enable it. Then you have to update driver. If that does not work for you, you can check the best drivers for your PC are already installed, so drivers is also up to date. So we will check another setting for this. In the display adapters, you will check your graphics adapter. Different PC have different graphic adapter. You will search here. You can also see that here are also best driver updates. So we will go for another option here. We will right click on it. Then we will go to update driver and click on browse my computer. Then we will go to let me pick from a list available drivers. Here some of the drivers are available in your PC. You can install one by one by them. Whichever work for you, you can use that particular driver for your PC. Then you will have to click on next. After doing this, you can see that installing drivers are going on. After driver install, you have to close this window. You can now see that your new driver is being installed. By the same method, you can also install driver and you can fix this brightness issue. Thanks for watching this video.